So, one of the things I loved about working at Microsoft was the perspective it gives you. When you're at the biggest software company in the world and like a 1% failure rate on the patches means millions of computers go offline, you really get a sense of scope and scale and the difficulty of maintenance of some of these operating systems. So I was still there when they were trying to murder XP and they were like, kill it. Is it dead? No. Oh God. Can we kill it again? No. Why are our customers making us resuscitate this thing? So I was actually inside and I remember some of the efforts that we made. So, first we tried warning them like 5 years in advance. Like that was like, hey, just put it in your calendar. You're going to have to do a migration, put it in your budgets and everything. But here's what happened, right? The biggest customers who were relying on XP, they basically said, look, it's not just the operating system. It's the applications that our business depends on these applications running on XP, and we don't have the money or the time to port all these applications to the latest operating system. And then the second thing, because we were like, well, what if we offered you free consulting services to like rewrite those apps for you? Like some of our biggest customers were like, we'll totally do it. Please God, just upgrade. And they were like, yeah, but then we'd have to train everybody on the use of the new operating system and the new this and the new that. And essentially it was like trying to like find the ruins of an organization in like a moss covered grove in the middle of the jungle. And they're just like, yeah, but even just getting new wood to that area would just, would cost more than the GDP of the planet. And we're like, yeah, okay. So then we said, okay, fine. If you want extended support, then it's going to be, let's say $25 million extended support contract for next year. Thinking they would say, ooh, that's more expensive than we want to pay. We'll go ahead and take the, business hit and the training hit, and we'll redo all of these apps. And they were like, no, thanks for letting us know. Now we can put that in the budget. And we're like, no, wait, no. hey, no. And then we were like, okay, fine. You're fine with 25 million next year, 50 million the following year. They're like, awesome. We were just doing our 3-year forecast. You just saved us a lot of trouble. Thank you so much. And we were like, oh God, so basically the problem was the business needs and the business dependencies had grown like a freaking jungle around the ruins of this operating system. And that was just one, right? So when I look at IoT, I'm like,